Now I'm going to solve this example 1, and the question is, a soil profile is shown in figure 9.3. Calculates the total stress, which is sigma, and pore water pressure, which is U, and effective stress at point A, B, and C. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Okay, this zone is dry sand. Okay, here given for dry sand, dry unit weight is 16.5 kilonewton per meter cube, and this zone is saturated sand, and here also given saturated unit weight is 19.25 kilonewton per meter cube, and this is saturated clay zone. Okay, the question is, calculates the total stress, pore water pressure, and effective stress at point A, B, and C. So at point A, the total stress will distance into unit weight. Here distance is 0. So total stress will 0. This is point A, and there has nothing distance. For B point, we know that the distance is 6 meter, but for A point there is no distance, so that for A point total stress will 0, and pore water pressure, we know, yes, of course we have to know, this is the groundwater table. This is the sign of, this is indicates that groundwater table. Okay, we know, above the groundwater level, this zone is above the groundwater level, and this is in groundwater table. We know above the groundwater level, or in groundwater level, the pore water pressure is 0. So point A is located at above the groundwater table, so pore water pressure will 0. Okay, let's find effective stress at point A. Effective stress equals to total stress minus pore water pressure, so it will also 0. Okay, okay, for at point A, our total stress is 0, pore water pressure also 0, and effective stress is 0. I just plot the variations with depth in here. Okay, let's find total stress, pore water pressure, and effective stress for P point. Okay, 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 okay. For P point, the total stress is distance into water, distance into unit weight. Here distance is 6 meter, and unit weight is, this is dry sand, and for dry sand, given that dry unit weight, which is 16.5, so the value will 99 kilonewton meter square. This is the point. Okay, okay, okay. So what will the pore water pressure at point P? I already mentioned that in the level of groundwater table or above the groundwater table, the pore water pressure is 0. Okay, okay. So what will the effective stress at point B? So the effective stress at point B will total stress minus pore water pressure. So it will 6 into 16.5 minus 0, it is 99. Okay, okay. Pore water pressure at point E is 0. I already discussed. So pore water pressure is 0 and effective stress is 99. So effective stress is 99 at point B. Okay. Okay, let's calculate the total stress for water pressure and effective stress at point C. Okay. Okay, let's calculate the total stress for water pressure and effective stress at point C. So this is C point. The total stress will distance. This distance is 6 meter. Distance into unit weight, dry unit weight 16.5 plus this distance is 13 and saturated unit weight will 19.25. So the value will 349.25 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, then what will pour water pressure for point C? This not gonna be 0. This is the groundwater level and C point is located in below. So pour water pressure will distance into, this is water, so pour water pressure will gamma W. So the distance is 13 and we know this value is fixed. Water unit weight is 9.81. Okay, the value will 127.53. 127.53. Okay, remember that if we calculate the pore water pressure, then the formula will distance into gamma W. So the distance is groundwater level to desirable point. So groundwater level to desirable point, our distance is 13 meter. So this is 13 meter and gamma W water unit weight is 9.81. So the value will 127.53 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, then what will the effective stress at point C? This is sigma C minus UC. Okay, this will like 221.72 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, I just plot the variations with depth here. Here the in C point we get the total stress. Total stress is 349.25. This is 349.25 and the pool water pressure is 127.53 and the effective stress is to 1.72. Then just draw the line. Okay, this is 0 in B point. Then pore water pressure at C is 127.53, and effective stress at point A is 0. Then point B, this is 99, and at point C, this is 2 to 1.72 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, thanks for watching my video.